I bet you didn't know there's a bird that eats bones for breakfast. This is going to blow your mind. Meet the bearded vulture. While other animals leave bones behind, the bearded vulture swoops in for the feast. Up to 70% of its diet, pure bone. Got a big bone? No problem. It soars thousands of feet up, drops it on rocks, shatters it, then swallows the sharp fragments whole. Its stomach acid, stronger than battery acid, able to dissolve even the biggest, toughest bones. Metal? Almost. This bird doesn't just survive, it thrives on what others fear. The next time you see a vulture, remember, some just pick the scraps, but the bearded vulture? It devours the impossible. Follow for more savage animal facts.